241. Please read the problem below, show all work necessary, and upload your picture if you attempt this problem. The simple interest formula banks use to calculate how much money people will have in their account over a certain time period is given by the following formula. Interest equals principal times rate times time, where I is the interest, P is the investment or the amount that you put in, R is the interest rate, and T is time in years. So let's say you have $1,000 to invest in 3 banks in your area. Information is given on each bank. Calculate the interest rate. So we're going to solve for the interest rate for each bank and then explain which bank you would invest in and why. So bank number 1. So we're going to look at bank number 1. Interest $200. So remember that the formula is interest equals principal times rate times time. So interest is 200. And that's equal to the principal. How much did we invest? $1,000. So 1,000 times the rate. Do we know the rate? No, we want to calculate the rate. So times R times the amount of time, 4 years times 4. So now we're going to say, well, 200 equals, well, 1,000 times R times 4, or we could say 4,000 times R. And then we we'll use our equal sign highway. Okay, divide each side by 4,000 because the opposite operation multiplication is division. Divide by 4,000. Okay, and that's going to put us at 200 divided by 4,000 is 0.05 or 5% equals R. So that's going to be the rate for the first one. The second one, we're going to say, well, the interest is 400, so 400 equals the same amount of investment, so $1,000, 1,000, times the rate times the amount of time, so 10 years. So this one is going to be 400 equals 10,000 times R. We're going to do the same thing, equal sign highway, divide by 10,000, divide by 10,000. And this ends up being 0.04 or 4% equals R. Okay, these are canceled out. And just for that sake there, so the interest rate here is only 4%. And then our third bank, 3, is $270. So 270 is our interest. And once again, $1,000 invested times the rate times 6 years. So that means 270 is equal to 6,000 times R. We're going to once again use equal sign highway, divide each side by 6,000, divide by 6,000, and we're going to cancel out the 6,000 here, and we're going to say 270 divided by 6,000 is 0.045 or 4.5% equals R. So which one of these 3 should we use? The one with the highest interest rate. So bank 1. Use bank 1 because it has the highest interest rate. It has highest interest rate. Okay.